How to track iPhone location. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you track your iPhone location. So let's get started. First, you have to check your iPhone. Find My Location is turned on or not. For that, open up Settings. From Settings, tap on your Apple account at the top. Alright, from the Apple account section, tap on Find My. From here, tap on Find My iPhone. From the section, make sure that these three options is toggle on, like Find My iPhone, Find My Network and Send the Last Location. After you turn on this, back from here, and to find out or track that iPhone, you'll have to open any browser on your iPhone. Like I'm opening Safari. Alright, after you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for iCloud login. After you find official site of iCloud, tap on that. From the section, tap on Sign In. Alright, after you sign in with your Apple account on iCloud, you'll get this type of interface. From here, at the top right corner, tap on Menu icon. From the App section, tap on the option Find My. Alright, so from this section, you can easily find out or track your iPhone devices. For that, choose your iPhone device from here. And from here, you can easily find out that iPhone from your iCloud and go the options like play sound, erase, remove or lost iPhone. So from here you can manually choose any one of these settings for your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method to track iPhone location. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.